Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going over to XRP once again. Thank you for your support. Okay, big good CoinsKid crew. So XRP is doing okay, isn't it? You know, we're looking for that bullish divergence to play out. We're looking for a retracement into them key levels of resistance that we're giving you all last week for many weeks right now, and just looking to hold that 35-day ABC correction that we're looking at as well. Okay, so you know, so far so good. Big thumbs up to that. So right now, what we're looking at as a potential scenario for the month of October and November is the average return for Bitcoin is relatively positive. If you look at that, I mean, November is the best month ever for Bitcoin. Now, obviously, this doesn't mean that XRP is going to have a good month, but we definitely want to see Bitcoin having a good month if we expect XRP to have a good month. This is how it all works. So possibly over the next few weeks here, if we can see Bitcoin take out that resistance, which I've shown you in today's video, you know, get a close above them key highs and that level of resistance right there, then, you know, just kick back, relax, like I said to you in yesterday's video, and just expect XRP to play catch up at some point. So, you know, if you take a look at this, historically, September, known as Rectember, is usually a bad month for Bitcoin and crypto, and so far we have had a bit of a correction this month, and we've been a bit nasty, a bit heinous. But if we can hold the lows going forward, then there's a possibility that, you know, September might not ring true to previous months. At the moment, the average drawdown for Bitcoin anyway is minus 1.76%. So the last time that we did actually put in a positive in September for Bitcoin, which is ridiculous, was way back in 2016. Now please look at the charts in 2016. It was on the cusp of a major move. So is history about to repeat if we see a positive month for September? So a long way to go, halfway through the month. Let's keep an eye on the monthly close. If it is positive, then we could be somewhere like we were in September of 2016 before that major move in 2017. But again, anything can happen. This is Bitcoin, this is crypto, this is XRP. It's so volatile, there's no guarantees. Let's jump into the charts right now and see what we can see. Looking at XRP on a monthly time frame, this is your bear market resistance and this is your bull market support right now. So at the moment, this is your bear market resistance. Break that is super bullish and lose that is super bearish. Okay, so it's inverse. So bear market resistance is moving down and bull market support is moving up. It really is simple, you know, when you look at it like this. So there's a possibility this is some kind of complex wave 4 correction that's coming to some kind of spearhead here for XRP. Okay, so this is absolutely possible. What we've got is this alternation right now. We've got the one ABC2, monster 3, some kind of complex wave 5 correction. And, you know, wave 4s are usually complex, and there equally exists a possibility that that was your ABC correction, and right now that's been impulsive 1, corrective 2, and right now you're on a cusp of 3. So what I'm looking for me to get really excited, okay, about the potential huge move here for XRP is this high being broken, obviously, and this level of resistance being broken. Now, going forward, if XRP plays out like this, then in theory, we should be looking to rally to that red line without losing that low. Okay, and that's really important. Like I said to you, that was your bull market support, and now this is your bull market support. This is your bear market resistance, and now that's your bear market resistance. Okay, now in time, and I can't guarantee it's going to play out like this, but if we do run into this resistance and we begin to roll, this will be your bear market resistance, and then this leg here will be your new bull market support moving up from that, and then we're looking at some kind of compression here leading to expansion. Now if this is indeed bullish, where we've got this 5-wave corrective move like that, possibly wave 4, then this level here, you know, the level in which we need to break for Bitcoin, for XRP, sorry, to say it's extremely bullish, will begin to move down the stairs. Do you understand? So it is something you could actually wait for, because if this leg here becomes your new bear market resistance, because that's currently your bear market resistance, you know, your resistance of a major move, that's what I'm trying to say to you, and then this is your support of a major move to the downside. If this is the case, then this resistance will become lower and this support become higher. So, you know, you've got a decision here in which you can act. This is what I'm trying to convey to you. So, you know, something's coming. Obviously, there's no guarantees. If we break down below the bull market support, that's really bearish. But if we break back above that level of resistance right now, the bear market resistance, that's super bullish, isn't it? And we will be looking at a massive wave 5. Like I've always said to you on the way down here, if we can break this red trend line anytime soon, then this is just a big looking glass to a major move. And it is possible that we will do it on this third point in contact, because there is all the chance that that's an ABC correction, that's an impulsive wave 1, corrective wave 2, and this is giving up for a 3. Absolutely possible, and we might not actually be caught in this complex 5-wave correction. Anything's possible, you know. This is technical analysis. There's bearish counts, there's bullish counts, there's whatever. Equally just there, I've always said to you as well, if we drop here and we come to this resistance and we fail to come up here, this again will be alarming. And if we do start to drop below this green trend line and we sweep this low, this would actually begin to look like a more bearish pattern than a bullish pattern. It will begin to look like some kind of double top pattern and a possible A, B, C wave correction. Okay, so it's all about this support. If we begin to lose this ascending level support right now, your bull market support, you're no longer creating this, compression pattern leading to expansion. You're breaking down here and you're creating a massive monster double top pattern, okay, which is a double M top pattern, which is a very bearish pattern, okay, which could see XRP lose all support and structure. But in a minute, there's your bull market support, it's moved up. Here's your bear market resistance, possibly on this retest. If it gets it and starts to come back in, it's going to move down, isn't it? And then this is going to move up and so on and so forth, and you're going to get pressed looking for continuation, because technically, there's no bias. If this continues to hold this ascending level support like this is a compression pattern, okay, in an uptrend. It's looking for continuation. It's called a symmetrical triangle. Basically, come up into it, compression, continuation. Really simple, okay? We've traded many of these in the past. So let's dive into the hourly time frame right now, okay? I hope you understand, there's no bullshit. It's not opium. It's simple technical analysis. This is why I said to you that this ascending level support is absolutely vital going forward here for XRP, okay? Let's dive into the hourly time frame, see what we can see. So taking a quick look at XRP on the daily, we're zooming into the hourly in a moment, but at the moment, we are having a nice little reaction here, okay? Let's not get too excited. What we are looking for is some kind of structural bottoming out pattern down here. So you could say, okay, well, this is the trend line, a potential trend line of an ascending triangle. So what we've done here, there's your ABC correction, your 35-day ABC for XRP, which is a scenario we've been looking at. And what's happened here, you've ran this resistance and you've fallen back to this support, and right now you're looking to carve out structural high lows here for XRP. Now this could be a leg of resistance of a symmetrical triangle going forward for XRP, okay, where we do start to carve out some kind of structural bottom. What I'm looking for primarily on XRP to get really excited, and it was the same in this correction, the same in this correction, once you lost the EMAs right there, same in that correction as well. What we're looking for is a bullish cross on the 10 and on the 20 and 55 EMA, sorry. We're looking for that bullish cross where this yellow line crosses the red line in time inside the apex of an ascending triangle, okay? If we start to see that within inside of the ascending triangle down here on the bottom on the daily time frame, I think you've got an amazing signal of a bottom, okay, for XRP and a confirmation. And at that point, I would expect XRP to run to at least these levels of resistance. That could potentially offer a short opportunity or a profit opportunity on any longs. Fall back into the neckline. This is a possible scenario that I'm looking at. I do talk about these scenarios quite a lot, and a lot do play out if those are paying attention, okay? And right now, we break out, rinse out resistance again, fall back to neckline, and so on and so forth, and we've got a bottom signature down here. So again, it's a patience game, isn't it? So I'm looking at as a possible scenario, I'm going to leave this in here, see how it plays out. That's your key resistance of a potential ascending triangle that is beginning to try and carve out here for XRP. What we're looking for, like I said to you, I'll keep reminding you, is the 20 and the 55 EMA golden cross towards the apex of an ascending triangle at the bottom here, a macro move, okay? So keep an eye on this going forward, okay? So I can't be too bearish on XRP just yet. There's a possibility of a trend reversal signature just there called three white soldiers, okay? So that's a nice little trend reversal, but what we're looking for obviously is just to grind this low out and hold the 35-day correction right there for XRP, okay? So I hope you enjoyed that update. Let's dive into the hourly time frame, see what we can see for XRP. So looking at XRP on the hourly time frame, we might be on the cusp of a little breakout here. This is some kind of compression pattern leading to expansion. What you do have here in this compression pattern, possibly some kind of ascending triangle. Always try and get as many points of contact as you can. So you can clearly see you've got some kind of support just there for XRP. You get really, really tight towards the apex, and usually towards the apex of these particular patterns. Now we're looking at a potential one on the macro on the daily, but this is the hourly. So this is the sort of scenario that I'm looking at right now for XRP on the macro, that if we can break out here, I think you'll begin a retracement back up, okay? So the key resistance for me at the moment is this previous swing high. There's your previous swing low, okay? And you can clearly see here we've got the God candle, haven't we? So that's a minimal target for me, which is this God candle breakout back test, okay? So that's a definite target I think that XRP is trying to get to. So this could increase the probability that you are going to break this, and you've got this compression pattern leading to expansion. So if this is the case, and we do get a full-blown massive pump here for XRP, where do I think it'll go to? So this green line here, this is your resistance there, and that's your resistance there. That's your previous pivot high, okay? So what we need to do, we need to look at the fib retracement that we're going through right now from this bottom. And again, for me, this support is going to keep moving up if we're looking to create this massive ascending triangle at the bottom here, okay, with the sort of macro golden cross, 20 and 55 EMA golden cross towards the apex, just like we're getting on the hourly right now. We're looking for that on the daily, okay, before a major bullish signal. From here to this last pivot high, I think that XRP, if we do get the breakout here and we do start to come up and take out these fib levels, let me get this knob on for you. So right now, if we do start to come up, because currently we're sort of triple tapping this 0.5 fib, which is a normal retracement level. So if we do break this and we start to take out the 1 fib at 0.51236, we could see XRP retest these highs, which would make sense to me, because this is the resistance of a potential ascending triangle, which is usually what you see at the bottom of a correction if you're looking for a reversal signature. Do you understand? So essentially something like this, you know, you've got your sort of resistance, support, resistance, support, and we've traded many of these in the past. Okay, so this is what we're looking for to carve out over the next few weeks. Like I said to you, for XRP, patience is key. If we hold this ascending level of support at the moment and we run into this key level resistance, it's going to start to increase the probability of this big reversal pattern, and then this thrust down in August actually being the bottom of that correction. Okay, for XRP, that macro correction which we've been anticipating. So what we're looking at right now, you're not just going to take off into space. Please remember that. You know, I know a lot of people look at that, but we do grind out these particular reversal patterns. So what we're looking for, if we can get this break and we take out the 1 fib at 0.151236, I think we could run as hard as that 0.54807, which is an area of interest for me to take some profit on any longs, you know, that you're in right now. So again, a lovely position right now could be, you know, the fact that you just go long on Bybit or BitGet is entirely up to you, with your stop loss on the previous swing low, this one here, and then you ride it all the way up. You look for the break of the 1 fib and then you take profit at the 0.54, because from here right now, this could be a monumental move for XRP, a really big level of retrace, you know, breakout around about 13%. Okay, so again, there's no guarantees. This is why you always apply stop loss, but a trade right now could be put your stop loss on that swing low at 0.47227, look for a break of this resistance, most importantly take out the 1 fib at 0.51236. I think we've got to move to the golden ratio extension right there, and that would begin to, you know, start to carve out some kind of structural bottom, wouldn't it? And what you're doing here off this low, you're possibly, you know, negating a kind of reversal here, because you're taking out the 1 fib and beginning to look something like that. Do you understand, for XRP? I hope you understand the update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Remember, nothing I say is financial advice, but right now, come to your charts, draw this ascending trend line. If you lose it, you know, squeaky bum time to retest these lows. But so far, so good. If we can get this move up, you know, and if Bitcoin's looking healthy, then, you know, I expect XRP to follow suit. I hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.